Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Moneylion's investment portfolio builder. So the investment portfolio builder allows you to create a diversified investment portfolio that's tailored to your financial goals and your specific risk tolerance. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and password, and then you want to navigate to the invest section by clicking on the invest tab. Next you want to click on build a portfolio, and then you want to select your investment goals according to your risk tolerance. Next, you got to answer a series of questions to help Moneylion's algorithm to determine the optimal asset allocations for your specific portfolio. And once that's done, just review and adjust the recommended portfolio allocations as you need it to be. And once you're done with the adjustments, just confirm the portfolio setup and wait for Moneylion to execute the trade on your behalf. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how to use Moneylion's investment portfolio builder. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.